Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today I have my exciting summer FabFitFun 2020 add-on picks. Well, at least what's in my cart for now. So if you want to hear what I have in my cart to add on for this season's FabFitFun box, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new here, thanks so much for joining me. I'm a full-time working mom. I have 4 young children and I really love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, and my experience on Poshmark. So if those kind of things sound interesting to you, please definitely check out my other videos linked down below, and please also subscribe so you don't miss future content like this. So again, for today, I want to share with you what at least is in my cart so far for add-ons for summer 2020 FabFitFun. So just to get this out there, this video is not sponsored in no way, shape, or form. These items I'm going to talk about, or any FabFitFun items, have never been gifted to me, unfortunately, I guess. I purchased all of these things on my own. I've been a subscriber to this service for years now, and I just absolutely love FabFitFun. So I'm just excited to share with you some things that I like from FabFitFun and things that you might want to check out for yourself as well. So this video comes as kind of a public service announcement, so to speak, because if you watch my last spring FabFitFun unboxing, which I will link down below, for whatever reason in the springtime, I never got an email telling me when my add-ons or customization options would be open, such that I missed out on a lot of good stuff. I also missed out almost on customizing my box entirely. So for those of you who might not have gotten the email kind of warning you of these dates, just so you know, add-ons started yesterday and customization starts today for select members, and I believe select members are primarily annual subscribers. For those of you who are buying seasonal box or seasonal subscribers, your options for customization and add-ons come in a little bit. But for now, at least, you have a few days to customize your box and also to select any add-ons you want to put them into your cart if you are select members. So I went on yesterday and looked at the add-ons. So the add-ons, at least on the Pacific Coast time, started at 9 a.m. So fortunately, or unfortunately, I should say, I had a full work day yesterday. So I had to carve out a little bit of time to kind of hide away so people didn't really see what I was doing, and go online and look at kind of the add-on selection. So my experience with add-on selections has been hit or miss, just because whenever you go on, as soon as they drop, the website seems to be overloaded. I put things in my cart I could have sworn I put in, and when I went back last night to see what was actually in there, they weren't there or missing. And also sometimes it's just hard to load the products because I think the site gets just really overloaded. However, compared to other seasons, yesterday's experience wasn't all that bad. In general, I got for the most part what I wanted to into my cart. So how add-ons works is you go on and put items into your cart that you're interested in, and you have the next few days to shop add-ons and modify your cart. You can take things out you decide you don't want and can add more things on if they're still available. So for add-ons, you don't actually have to check out officially at all. Whatever is left in your cart, whenever the add-on period closes, they automatically bill to you and then will ship to you with your seasonal box with no additional shipping. So one thing to definitely be aware of, though, is that this happens really automatically. So for instance, what I'll do is, you'll hear about, I put in a bunch of items that I'm potentially interested in and I just don't have time to kind of research ahead of time. And then over the next day or so, I'm going to go through and really think about what's in my cart. I think I often have a tendency to kind of buy too much, so I'm trying to pare down a little bit in terms of what I buy for add-ons. So over the next couple days, I'm going to think about it a little bit more, do a little bit more research on the products maybe, and then after the add-on period is close to ending, I will go ahead and take out what I don't want. So just be wary of when the dates end, because if you forget or don't remember to go through and kind of edit your cart, you're going to get billed and shipped all the items in there. So it's very dangerous, because if you forget about this, you're just going to get a whole ton of stuff that you might not have truly wanted. So just be careful of the dates. I'm going to be listing all the dates for the add-ons customization for both select and seasonal members down below in case you're interested. So I thought for this video, I would just share with you what I currently have in my cart for add-ons. Again, customization starts today, and I'm not going to share with you the items that I'm going to pick for customization, because I will share that with you when I do my full FabFitFun Summer 2020 unboxing when I get the box in the next couple weeks. So today I just wanted to share with you what add-ons I'm interested in, and a lot of these things still are available. Some have sold out, and a lot of them, however, you can still get. So if you're interested in looking at these add-ons for yourself, I would definitely consider checking them out. Also, one other tip is that because people often do what I just said, is they put a bunch of stuff in their cart, and over the next couple days are going to start taking stuff out of their carts when they really realize they don't need it or don't really want it. Then these add-ons become available the longer in you get into the add-on period. So if you're interested in a certain item and it seems sold out right now, if you check back in a day or two, there is a chance that it'll become available again. So I often will check periodically during the add-on period to see if there's some new items that become available that I might be interested in. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what's in my cart. I have a nice variety of items that I was interested in this time. I think the selection for this season was pretty good compared to other seasons, so I'm definitely excited about some of these add-ons. So I'm going to tell you first about some of these makeup and skincare products that I'm really interested in. I'll put a picture of the item in addition to the price that they're offering for the add-on sale here next to me. So the first item is this Perricone bundle. So I haven't tried anything from the Perricone line yet, although I've heard a lot about them, and I really was interested in trying some of their products. So I thought this bundle was really great. FabFitFun add-ons often include bundles like this, where if you buy several items that they bundle together for you, there's an even added discount over buying them individually. So definitely check out the bundles. Those are really popular, I think. So this particular Perricone bundle comes with 3 products. It's the MODMOMMD Vitamin C Ester Brightening Serum. It's the No Makeup Lipstick and the Instant Blur Compact. So I'm interested in trying all of these products. I'd seen all of these before and really wanted to give them a try. So I thought this was a pretty good value. So I'm almost for sure going to be purchasing this, but that's the first thing that's in my cart. The next beauty product is this Coola SPF 30 Classic Lip Lux Lip Balm. So if you've seen some of my other videos, including my other FabFitFun skincare review videos, which I will link down below, I love Coola products. I love skincare sunscreen products because it's so important, especially this time of year, but really all around. So Coola and Supergoop are the 2 lines that I really like for this kind of purpose. I haven't tried their lip balm before, so this is a pretty good deal. It's 50% off, so I figured I definitely would try this. It's SPF 30. It looks like the scent is peppermint vanilla, which I think could be okay for me. It's probably just like a regular lip balm, but it has SPF 30, which is really great. And we often forget about our lips for SPF coverage. I mean, we often think about our skin and our body for sunscreen, but the lips are really, really gentle skin as well. And it's really important to think about sunscreen for your lips. So I thought this was a really great product to try. The next product that I have in here is this Kopari Original Coconut Deodorant. So if you've seen some other Sephora videos, I have tried other Kopari products. I haven't actually tried their deodorant. I do have another sample of this, but I just haven't tried it yet, to be honest. I am going to try to get into a little bit more of natural deodorants. I actually did purchase deodorant from the Native line, which I'm sure you've probably heard about. And so far I've tried it out for a couple of weeks and I actually really like it. I think it works well, and it's nice that it's aluminum free, paraben free, and I'm kind of late to join this bandwagon, I think, but I'm going to try to limit some aluminum containing deodorants as much as I can. Occasionally, I do still like to use some of the aluminum deodorants because they have more selection in terms of ones that don't leave marks on your clothes. And for me, that's one of my biggest pet peeves. So I use it when I need to for that reason. But other than that, I'm going to try to be incorporating more of these natural deodorants into my routine. So I heard great things about the Kopari one. I love coconut scent, so I'm super excited about this one. It was a great deal, and I wish I got more of them in my cart before it sold out, but this is something that I would definitely check out in case some become more available. The next item was this another Kopari product, the Coconut Lip Glossy, another product I've heard a ton about. I do have another sample of this, which I haven't tried yet, but another probably great lip product. I don't think this one has SPF in it, however, which is okay. I mean, I'd like SPF, but I do want to try the formulation. It sounds like it leaves a really nice glossy texture. Hopefully it's not sticky. I'll let you know after I try it out, but I think this is a great one to check out. The next product I have here, kind of in the beauty skincare line, is these Sponge Gel soap-infused little loofah or sponges. So in my last FabFitFun kind of skincare review video, I did highlight this product as one of my all-time favorite FabFitFun skincare products, and it really is. I just think it's so convenient. It's kind of a unique or novel product. What it is it's a sponge, essentially, that's infused already with soap. So you don't have to add anything to it. You just moisten it or wet it, and it lathers up really nicely, and you can just go ahead and use it to clean your body with, and then you use it for up to 14 uses. And I tend to get, at least 14 uses out of it, so I think that's pretty accurate. And then once you're done with it, you can go ahead and just toss it. So overall, I think it's more hygienic than having a loofah that sits in your shower for months. And also, it's very convenient because if you take it to travel, you can just use this when you're on your trip and then just toss it before you come back. So that's kind of nice as well. It's also a great gift. I think it's just kind of a fun, unique product that I don't think people see often. So I do love these. I also love them, especially working more in the hospital now in this virus pandemic era. I really am enjoying using this when I come home because I feel like it gives me a little bit of a better exfoliation than a regular loofah because the sponge-like texture is a little firmer. So I'm really able to scrub my arms, my hands super well as soon as I come home. So I really do like it for that reason. Again, that was a tip from one of you out there, one of my subscribers, so I really appreciate that tip, but it's been working out really great for me. So I love this. My favorite scent is this coconut verbena scent, which is the one that I added to my box. Now again, I'm going to stock up on that one. And I did add one other scent here, which I haven't tried before, but I'm excited to see if it works out for me. And that is the beach grass scent, as you can see here. So I'm going to try this one too and let you know. I think it's a pretty good deal for what you get, and it's kind of a fun product, which I think works pretty well and does its purpose. The next kind of skincare health product is this Cocoa Floss Delicious Mint Floss. So it's kind of weird, but I actually ran out of floss, ironically. So I saw this on here. I was like, yeah, I'll try this. I haven't tried this brand at all, but I need a new thing of floss. So I wanted to try and see how it works. It's a vegan wax, and yeah, I assume it's like kind of a coconut mint type of a flavor maybe. I mean, we'll see. I'll try it out. I assume it's probably going to be just a basic typical floss, but I thought it was a pretty good deal and something new to try, and I needed floss, so it's going to go into my cart. The next item here is in the hair care kind of venue, and it's the Invisibobbles. So I've purchased Invisibobbles on add-ons time and time again. Their deals are really great. So I think this is an awesome deal. So for $5, you get 6 original Invisibobble hair ties, which is an amazing deal compared to if you buy them out in retail or Sephora. So I love these. I just only regret I didn't add more to my cart. I just put one in and I didn't think and order more like I often do. So I just have this one, but it's kind of the happy hour version, so the colors kind of fit that theme. So this particular one I think is the melon version I got. It's called Smooth Melons, light pink color, maybe like a clearish color it looks like. There are others on there. If any more of these become available during the add-on period, I definitely would recommend adding them to your cart. I love these things. They're just super convenient. They don't leave marks in your hair or ponytails when you put them up, so I just love Invisibobbles. So definitely check those out if they become available. So then the next types of things are, let's say, fashion items, I'll say. So I have a couple of things. So one is this Amy Kestenberg. It's called the Marietta Flat Wallet. It's not leather. I think it's PVC, but it's in this beautiful blush tone. It's just really gorgeous. It's kind of open style flat wallet, and it's a bifold feature. It has credit card slots, bill slots, and there is a little zipper compartment on the back. Really what caught my eye is the value. It's like $5, and the retail is $48, so it's 90% off. So to be honest, that's really what caught my eye. Do I need another wallet? Absolutely not. I have tons of little small leather goods around, even just non-leather goods, just small goods around. But I just couldn't pass up a deal. I thought it was a beautiful color, so I'm going to check it out. If it'll work out for me, I'm definitely going to keep it. If not, I may try to resell this, to be honest with you, because I think it's a great value. I think somebody could really, really enjoy it too. So I just wanted to give it a try and check it out. I do like Amy Kestenberg's products. I have several of her bags and wallets as well. In fact, one of the card cases I'm using right now is from Amy Kestenberg. So I do like her line a lot. The next item are in the same category here of kind of fashion, and just a quick side comment. It seemed that they had a lot more fashion items on there, and I think that's probably because they rolled out relatively recently their new kind of style option. So it seems to me kind of like a Stitch Fix type of a thing or service where they can style you with some of their items. So they have more clothing items in these add-ons this time than they have previously. So I was really excited about that. They even had Free People items, which I love, and I thought I put one of the cardigans into my cart again, and then I went back, it wasn't there. So I don't know what happened, but I would have loved to have that particular item, but I probably won't be getting it. But there's a lot of clothing items on there if you haven't checked it out already and you're interested. There are 2 hats that I had my eye on, and I'm deciding between the 2, so I could definitely use your help. Let me know which one you think I should pick out. I love these kind of fun little woven kind of raffia straw type hats during the summer. I think they're just super summery. It really gets me in the mood for the season. So I'm definitely going to add one of these to my collection. I'm just not sure which one. The first I have here is this Vicks fringe brim sun hat. I thought it was unique because the actual hat was black. So most hats are, of course, the straw typical tan color, but this one was black and it had the rim around it, which had some fringe and that tan color. I thought it was pretty cute. It was a decent value, so I thought I would give this one a try. It's made out of 100% paper straw. The other hat I had in my cart is this other more classic looking type of hat from Summer and Rose. It's the Ashley straw hat, as you can see here, and it's also a pretty decent value, I thought, and it's straw and the band is polyester, so I thought this was cute too. I really like this two-tone colorway, so let me know which one you think. I really like both of them, so I just have to kind of think about which one I want to go for, but I'm probably only just gonna get one of those two hats. And then let's see here, what else do I have? I have a couple of houseware type stuff too, but one other kind of fashiony item is this H. Halston Space Dye sneaker liner socks. So I do like H by Halston. I think this is their slightly more affordable line rather than traditional classic Halston. But I do like their line. I think they make great quality items, and I love these liner socks. These are amazing. So this particular version, not just the no-show ones that I've seen before, but this one really covers the whole kind of vamp of your foot, which I really love, and it doesn't slip off. And it's perfect for wearing with sneakers. I just love this look, so I had to stock up on these. I like these kind of space dye colorway too. I thought that was really pretty, so I had to add this to my cart. This was really a no-brainer, I'll say. They have other sock versions, I think, in the add-on selection right now too, in case you're interested in some other styles of socks. And then in the kind of homeware section or category, I picked out two items. So one is this Summer and Rose Brylan basket trio. So these are just kind of organizational baskets. The largest one they're saying is 13 by 8 inches by 9 by 8 inches by 7 by 9 inches. And then the other two versions are a little smaller. So I think decent size. They don't sound like they're super huge, but I just really need these kind of things to help organize around the house here. To be honest, I have no idea where I'm going to put these baskets, but I just love baskets. I like the little chevron print too. So I'm definitely going to use them somewhere around this house, maybe in a bedroom or a bathroom, just to kind of collect some items to keep around. So I'm excited about these. I thought this was a pretty good value too, so I wanted to check those out. And then I think I just have one final thing in my cart right now that I'm almost likely for sure going to be getting, and it is this really cool Chic and Tonic Gold Party Bundle. So it comes with a flask, which I'm not really sure I'm going to use, to be honest, but comes with it, and 4 stemless metal cups. They're 19 ounces each, and they are stainless steel with copper plating. They're BPA free. They just look really chic and cool. I don't have any gold tone kind of glassware like this, so I thought this was really cool. So especially when hopefully at some point we're going to be able to entertain again, I thought that was really nice. So I may get a couple of sets of these just to have for future dinner parties. I thought this was a really cool item. I do like this kind of glassware where it's stemless. I think it's really nice to hold in your hand like this. So we have other versions in true glassware, but I thought this would be a nice addition. I really like gold in general, so I thought it would be a good one to add. So I think I've covered all of the items that are currently in my cart. Yes, that's it. So that's a fair amount of item add-ons for me. I don't typically add on a whole ton of items, but that's what's in there now. Again, over the next couple days, I am going to pare down some of these things. I will not be purchasing all these items, and almost for sure, I'm going to be adding some new ones too as I kind of peruse or go through the listings. Again, some things will become available that aren't now, so definitely keep checking it out. But you have another several days if you're select members to figure out what you really want in your add-ons. Don't forget to do your customization today if you're also a select member. And for those of you who aren't select members, you'll be able to do so in the next coming days. So if you use my referral link down below, it will be saving you some money on your first box, but also give me a little bit of a kickback, which will be awesome. And it will allow me to be able to purchase more of these types of add-ons to share with you all in future videos. Thanks again for watching. I really, really appreciate your support. If you're not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe down below just so you don't miss my summer FabFitFun unboxing. Otherwise, I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!